Din for November the 13th to November the 14th, water signs, ang nakikita natin dito may panunuyo, no, si person. Parang sasabihin ni person, o sige, gagawin ko kung ano yung gusto mo, ito yung gusto mo dati, gagawin ko na ngayon, hindi ko man siya nagawa before, pero makikita mo nag-e-effort ako ngayon. Pero kasi parang it's too late, and what I am seeing in here is that your person is just doing it for the sake of na hindi ka magalit, no? Pero wala dun yung sense of gusto kong gawin to dahil gusto ko, no? Parang sa kanya, napipilitan ako, pero yun yung gusto niya eh, so gagawin ko na lang. Wala dito yung essence of giving, wala dito yung essence of offering, kasi parang, yun nga, pilit, no, ang kanyang mga kilos. With the Devil card, the Six of Wands, and the Knight of Swords, meron din dito na sigurong for a few numbers of yung ginagawa lang ito kasi may kailangan or baka mang-uuto, no? Kasi with the Devil card in here, parang ito yung gagawin niyang bait or sabihin natin puhunan para makakuha ng kung ano man, no? So with the Six of Wands, for a few numbers of you, this is probably a warning kasi parang you're gonna bait into that kilos niya, and you're going to start gonna be hurt again if in case, no? So, iwas-iwas lang dito, water signs. This is your quick reading for November the 13th to 14th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am